We are here at the Holiday Inn Express in Reno, Oklahoma. We're going to go check out our room right now. This Holiday Inn Express is located just off of Highway 40 to the west of Oklahoma City.
I'm so cold. I really thought I was frostbite because I'm like...
It's not that cold.
Yes, it is. To be wearing short sleeves, it is.
Okay, well, that's true. This is unusual. I'm not usually in the elevator going up with you guys to the room.
Oh, wow. I've already picked up my shoes and getting something.
Plenty of room to spread out. 2 big beds. Got a nice sized desk to work on. Good sized TV. Plenty of storage space. Got this convertible couch that turns into a bed. Got a little table to eat on here. Also have this little kitchenette area with a microwave, coffee maker, and a mini fridge. Across from that, we've got this area here for you can hang your clothes. It's got extra bedding, ironing board, and iron. And then rounding out the tour, we've got the bathroom, the sink, and a shower with a tub. How you doing this morning, buddy?
Good.
Good. You excited about the day?
No.
Why not? Cars? You don't like being in the car for a long time?
No.
Oh, sorry. But we'll be at a special place today.
Buc-ee's.
Buc-ee's is on the way. So that'll be fun, right? Yeah. Let's go get breakfast. You got milk?
Huh?
This hotel has ice machines on every floor. It also has laundry services on the main floor. There's an indoor pool that's available, and even a fitness center. So you have all of your necessities located right in this hotel.
What?
Well, oh, all right. I can't walk in here. So, there's
Just one that right there.
there's no light switch.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you have to lift the heaviest. Oh, how'd you do that? Good job. What'd you do?
I was just looking around. Same as all you.
Got weights. We've got elliptical. We've got a treadmill, and we've got a bike machine. Okay, guys. So, what do you think of this hotel?
Pretty
Good.
good.
It's not too bad. Yeah, I like it. It's right off the highway, so it's really easy to find. But it's just like any other typical Holiday Inn Express. It's very consistent in terms of quality, and it's got a good breakfast. So we would definitely stop here again if we were coming back through.
Yeah.
Be sure to check out our other videos here.